So guys, panoorin natin Miss Yana sa kanyang cover na halal coin. So this is the part 1 kasi nag-scroll up ako and meron akong nakitang part 2. So check out natin ang kanyang cover na talagang napakasimple pero grabe. Talagang umabot ng million views ang kanyang cover. So what we're gonna do, let's get and sana masama niyo until the end of this my reaction video. Maraming salamat po.
This is a moment been waiting for, to finally you be mine. I promise to my God, we'll love you eternity. I'm gonna hold your precious hand, let your guarantee my love, telling everyone you will marry me. Will you please accept my hand? I'm gonna marry you today. God's willing, you will let me know my love for you is true. Thank you to our mom and dad, with our destinies unite. They make it easier for us to fulfill the promises we made.
Grabe, Grace, grabe. Original talagang galing sa kanyang at walang mic na ginagamit. Hindi kagaya ng iba kong napapanood na akala ko yun na yun, but lip sync, but this is hindi lip sync, talagang original, guys. And tara, add natin yung part 2. So kasi hindi pwedeng hindi natin palalagpasin to. Grabe ang galing, guys. So, nakapang bahay at simple nasa bahay yan, nakapang bahay ng damit. Ayan. So this is tinatawag a normal day on the Philippines. So panoorin natin ang kanyang part 2, guys. Let's go.
I'm gonna hold your precious hand, let your parents feel my love, telling everyone you will marry me. Will you please accept my hand? I'm gonna marry you today. God's willing, you will let me know my love for you is true. Thank you to a mom and dad, and they lead our destinies unite. They make it easier for us to fulfill the promises we made.
Grabe, part 1, part 2, walang pinagbago, talagang boses na talaga yung ating napakinggan at talagang napakalinis, ang linaw, ang galing mo, girls! Sana magkita-kita tayo susunod nating reaction video, and it's the very end, guys, and see you in my next one. Please check out Miss Yana sa kanyang YouTube channel, and if so ilalagay ko po ang link sa ating description box. Maraming salamat, guys, and thank you so much, and see you in the next one. Bye!